Hello there and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. I'm not sure if this bike needs any introduction, but we'll do it anyway. It's the BMW R90 S in the tangerine. Absolutely outstanding bike. Loads of paperwork with it. We'll get to that in a minute. This is without shadow of a doubt one of Chris's favourite bikes of all time. He loves these, he loves buying them, he hates selling them. But hey, if we kept everything we loved, then that's a different story. But anyway, so this is the 1975 BMW R90 S. Currently showing 15,182 miles on the clock. It's a matching numbered bike. It's a UK bike. Yeah, I've got a couple of keys with it as well, and like I say, tons of paperwork and a few other things about this bike. So I'm going to do that classic clickbait thing. Stay tuned to see what they are. First of all, let's just have a slow walk around the bike and enjoy it in all its glory, because these are an absolute lovely bike. And also we will do a startup towards the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, as you can see folks, it's absolutely beautiful, this bike. No point in doing all the usual tyres are in good condition, that's all you need to know folks. But yeah, just an absolute gem of a bike this. And like I say, Chris has a real affiliation to these. He absolutely loves these. But yeah, just such an iconic machine, really are. I'm going to let the bike do the talking. I'm not really going to say much because it's just such a lovely bike. It really is. 1975, so it's tax and test exempt. In fact, I didn't check if it's down as historic on the V5 for you, but I'll do that for you in a second. But what a lovely, lovely bike. In fact, we'll just whip over and just check that V5 for you if it's down as historic. I can't remember. Where are we? No, it's not, so we just need to alter that. That just needs altering at the post office, which is easily done these days. So yeah, let me just show you a few things that I kept quiet. Well, first of all, we'll do paperwork. Look at this huge box full of paperwork, magazines, invoices. We've got loads of BMW Club Handbook, Toolkit, BMW Service R90, Owner's Manual, loads of invoices for servicing and parts and, you know, stuff, magazines featuring the bike, just a whole box of reading material there for you. We'll also just whip round to the bike. I've left the seat slightly ajar for a good reason. One is to show you underneath the condition, original sticker. We've got the original pump there as well. Also got the toolkit, which is really nice to see. But yeah, just look at the condition of that. That's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I couldn't click that. So what we're going to do, let's attempt, we'll have a start up. So let's put some power in it. We're going to do the fuel taps, left and right. Now I'm not going to use any choke for first attempt. Let's just have a look, see how we get on. How's that folks? I'm not sure it's going to idle on its own without a bit of choke at the moment, but absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's struggling a little, it's a cold engine. Almost idling. It is idling on its own. What I meant about, never mind, almost. It is on its own, no choke. beautiful, absolutely beautiful. That's a nice bike. I'll turn that off. Let me just do the taps. Good habit to get into, folks, just doing them taps when you turn the engine off. Okay, so there you go, folks, the 1975 BMW R90 S, matching numbered bike, UK bike, loads of history, provenance there going on, toolkit, pump, exactly how it should be. That is a lovely, lovely bike. So we can offer nationwide or international delivery, not a problem at all. Finance is something we'd have to look at on a one-to-one basis, but on these classic bikes we can quite often finance them. We will check the bike over in the workshop prior to coming out. Obviously it doesn't need an MOT or road tax due to its age. Other than that, folks, if you've got any questions, give me a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and have a butcher's at this stunning BMW R90, if you're travelling, give me a call before you set off just to make sure the bike is in stock and available. These tend to sell quite quickly, these R90Ss. They're quite a sought after classic, so I'm not expecting that to be around too long. So yeah, don't forget, folks, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. I really do appreciate the support. You know, channel's growing nicely. That is a gorgeous bike, and Chris is going to be awfully upset when we sell it, but hey, that's our job. That's what we're here for, folks, to provide you with your dream. Okay, other than that, guys, I'm out of here. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you have a fantastic day, and remember, if you're passing Doncaster, the kettle's always on. Pop in. You know where we are, and if you don't, give us a call and find out. Stay safe out there, folks. Cheers.